Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're doing this really pretty pink and purple cut crease, and it does have glitter. So we're going to start by using the Morphe eyeshadow primer, and we're just going to put this all over the lid and also the bottom lash line. Next, we're taking the Morphe palette. That's the 35B palette, and I'm taking a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm picking up that bright pink shade, and we're going to put this all over the crease. And I wasn't putting this in any particular way. I just needed the color all over the crease, and this is acting as a transition shade, and I'm literally just patting that on. Now I'm picking up that deeper cranberry color, and I'm going to follow the same steps I just did. I'm just going to literally pat that color all over. Now I'm taking a clean M443 brush that's by Morphe, and I'm just cleaning up those edges, just trying to blend them out. And I'm taking that purple shade with that same brush, and I'm buffing that into the crease as well. And I'm literally just doing circular motions. And you can see those colors transitioning. Now I'm taking a smaller tapered brush and taking a deeper shade of purple, and I'm focusing this color into the socket of my eye, and that's literally where your brow bone stops in the socket of your eye, and I'm just putting that color there, and I'm packing that color on. Going back with that Morphe M443 brush, and I'm just blending everything together. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base in white and a synthetic flat brush. I've had this brush for so long, so I can't even remember what's the name of that brush, but I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. And you want to take your time doing this. Cut creases do take a lot of practice, and it does take a lot of time because you want your crease to be cut and you want it to be crisp. So just take your time doing that. And I'm taking two bright pink shades, and I'm just gonna use that same brush just to set that eyeshadow base. And it's gonna give you like a lavender color. Now we're going in with glitter, and I'm using the NYX glitter primer. You just need a little bit, and a clean flat shading brush, and I'm just going to apply this primer all over the lid. And you want this to be thin, and you want to make sure you get the entire lid, and you also want the application to be smooth and even. So now the glitter. I love glitter, but I also hate it because glitter gets everywhere. But I'm taking that same flat shading brush, and I'm just applying the glitter, and I just take my time and do that. So prep your area first because glitter gets everywhere. So I'm going to do my foundation off camera, and I'll be back. So now for lashes, I'm doing the 702 and the 48 lashes, and those are by the brand, the Creme Shop, and I'm stacking those lashes, and I clip the end right there, and I'm using the Duo Lash Glue in the color black, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Now I'm going to take that tapered blending brush, and I'm going back in with that purple shade, and I'm going to put that on my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to highlight. I'm using the Revolution Strobe highlighter in the shade Gold Addict. And I don't know the name of that brush, but I will have it listed in the bottom description bar. And I'm going to line my lips, and that is Nutmeg by NYX lip liner. And I'm going to put this all over the lips. And I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And I'm going to mix two shades, that pink nude color, and it's also a brown nude that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lips. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. And drop me a comment down in that bottom bar, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.